Which is the odd one out? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Australia. D. Russia. Answer. D. Russia. Asia, Africa, and Australia are continents, while Russia is a country. Which is the odd one out? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Tomato. D. Mango. Answer. C. Tomato. Apple, banana, and mango are sweet fruits, while tomato is technically a fruit but commonly used as a vegetable. Which is the odd one out? A. Mercury. B. Earth. C. Venus. D. Mars. Answer. B. Earth. Earth is the only planet with known life, while the others do not have confirmed life. Which is the odd one out? A. Square. B. Circle. C. Rectangle. D. Triangle. Answer. B. Circle, square, rectangle, and triangle are polygons with straight sides, while a circle has no straight sides. Which is the odd one out? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Pluto. Answer. D. Pluto. Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus are gas giants, while Pluto is a dwarf planet. Which is the odd one out? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon. Answer. D. Carbon. Oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen are gases at room temperature, while carbon is a solid. Which is the odd one out? A. Gandhi. B. Nehru. C. Patel. D. Hitler. Answer. D. Hitler. Gandhi, Nehru, and Patel were Indian leaders, while Hitler was a German dictator. Which is the odd one out? A. Copper. B. Silver. C. Gold. D. Iron. Answer. D. Iron. Copper, silver, and gold are non-magnetic metals, while iron is magnetic. Which is the odd one out? A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Rabbit. D. Elephant. Answer. D. Elephant. Cat, dog, and rabbit are common pets, while elephant is a wild animal. Which is the odd one out? A. Keyboard. B. Mouse. C. Monitor. D. Printer. Answer. D. Printer. Keyboard, mouse, and monitor are input and output devices directly involved in the computer interface, while printer is primarily an output device. Which is the odd one out? A. Linux. B. Windows. C. MacOS. D. Chrome. Answer. D. Chrome. Linux, Windows, and MacOS are operating systems, while Chrome is a web browser. Which is the odd one out? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Mississippi. D. Alps. Answer. D. Alps. Nile, Amazon, and Mississippi are rivers, while Alps is a mountain range. Which is the odd one out? A. Sum. B. Difference. C. Product. D. Square. Answer. D. Square. Sum, difference, and product are basic arithmetic operations, while square refers to a geometric shape or a mathematical operation. Which is the odd one out? A. Oregano. B. Basil. C. Thyme. D. Wheat. Answer. D. Wheat. Oregano, basil, and thyme are herbs, while wheat is a cereal grain. Which is the odd one out? A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Antarctica. D. India. Answer. D. India. Asia, Europe, and Antarctica are continents, while India is a country. Which is the odd one out? A. Copper. B. Iron. C. Aluminum. D. Wood. Answer. D. Wood. Copper, iron, and aluminum are metals, while wood is not. Which is the odd one out? A. Sanskrit. B. Hindi. C. English. D. Arabic. Answer. A. Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a classical language, while Hindi, English, and Arabic are modern spoken languages. Which is the odd one out? A. Crow. B. Sparrow. C. Parrot. D. Bat. Answer. D. Bat. Crow, sparrow, and parrot are birds, while bat is a mammal. Which is the odd one out? A. Cucumber. B. Carrot. C. Beetroot. D. Potato. Answer. A. Cucumber, carrot, beetroot, and potato are roots, while cucumber is a fruit botanically. Which is the odd one out? A. Physics. B. Chemistry. C. Biology. D. Mathematics. Answer: D. Mathematics. Physics, chemistry, and biology are natural sciences, while mathematics is an abstract science. Which is the odd one out? A. USA. B. UK. C. Canada. D. Delhi. Answer: D. Delhi. USA, UK, and Canada are countries, while Delhi is a city. Which is the odd one out? A. Kangaroo. B. Koala. C. Penguin. D. Emu. Answer: C. Penguin. Kangaroo, koala, and emu are native to Australia, while penguin is found in the southern hemisphere, especially Antarctica. Which is the odd one out? A. Wool. B. Cotton. C. Nylon. D. Silk. Answer: C. Nylon. Wool, cotton, and silk are natural fibers, while nylon is synthetic. Which is the odd one out? A. Audi. B. BMW. C. Mercedes. D. Honda. Answer: D. Honda. Audi, BMW, and Mercedes are German car brands, while Honda is Japanese. Which is the odd one out? A. Tomato. B. Cabbage. C. Carrot. D. Potato. Answer: A. Tomato, cabbage, carrot, and potato are vegetables, while tomato is botanically a fruit. Which is the odd one out? A. Amritsar. B. Mumbai. C. Chennai. D. Kolkata. Answer: A. Amritsar. Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata are metropolitan cities, while Amritsar is not. Which is the odd one out? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Tulip. D. Oak. Answer: D. Oak. Rose, lotus, and tulip are flowers, while oak is a tree. Which is the odd one out? A. Google. B. Amazon. C. Facebook. D. Microsoft. Answer: B. Amazon. Google, Facebook, and Microsoft primarily deal with technology, while Amazon is primarily an e-commerce company. Which is the odd one out? A. Iron. B. Magnesium. C. Zinc. D. Helium. Answer: D. Helium. Iron, magnesium, and zinc are metals, while helium is a noble gas. Which is the odd one out? A. Bach. B. Beethoven. C. Mozart. D. Shakespeare. Answer: D. Shakespeare. Bach, Beethoven, and Mozart were famous composers, while Shakespeare was a playwright and poet. Which is the odd one out? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. D. Pluto. Answer: D. Pluto. Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune are gas giants, while Pluto is a dwarf planet. Which is the odd one out? A. Aristotle. B. Plato. C. Socrates. D. Einstein. Answer: D. Einstein. Aristotle, Plato, and Socrates were ancient Greek philosophers, while Einstein was a modern physicist. Which is the odd one out? A. Google. B. Yahoo. C. Facebook. D. Bing. Answer: C. Facebook. Google, Yahoo, and Bing are search engines, while Facebook is a social media platform. Which is the odd one out? A. Car. B. Bicycle. C. Train. D. Ship. Answer: D. Ship. Car, bicycle, and train are land transport vehicles, while ship is used for water transport. Which is the odd one out? A. Diamond. B. Gold. C. Silver. D. Platinum. Answer: A. Diamond. Gold, silver, and platinum are metals, while diamond is a form of carbon. Which is the odd one out? A. Rose. B. Lily. C. Lotus. D. Mango. Answer: D. Mango. Rose, lily, and lotus are flowers, while mango is a fruit. Which is the odd one out? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Leopard. D. Panda. Answer: D. Panda. Tiger, lion, and leopard are big cats, while panda is a bear. Which is the odd one out? A. HTML. B. CSS. C. JavaScript. D. Python. Answer. D. Python. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are web development languages, while Python is a general-purpose programming language. Which is the odd one out? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Earth. Answer. D. Earth. Mercury, Venus, and Mars do not have liquid water on their surfaces, while Earth does. Which is the odd one out? A. Ruler. B. Compass. C. Protractor. D. Calculator. Answer. D. Calculator. Ruler, compass, and protractor are drawing instruments, while calculator is a computational tool. Which is the odd one out? A. H2O. B. CO2. C. O2. D. Nickel. Answer. D. Nickel. H2O, CO2, and O2 are molecules made up of non-metallic elements, while nickel, salt, is a compound made of a metal, sodium, and a non-metal, chlorine. Which is the odd one out? A. Shakespeare. B. Dickens. C. Tolstoy. D. Newton. Answer. D. Newton. Shakespeare, Dickens, and Tolstoy were writers, while Newton was a scientist. Which is the odd one out? A. Lion. B. Shark. C. Whale. D. Dolphin. Answer. A. Lion, shark, whale, and dolphin are aquatic animals, while lion is a terrestrial animal. Which is the odd one out? A. Assam. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Kashmir. Answer. D. Kashmir. Assam, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka are states in India, while Kashmir is a region. Which is the odd one out? A. Mughal. B. Gupta. C. Maurya. D. Alexander. Answer. D. Alexander. Mughal, Gupta, and Maurya were Indian Empire, while Alexander the Great was a Greek ruler. Which is the odd one out? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Brain. D. Bone. Answer. D. Bone. Heart, liver, and brain are organs, while bone is part of the skeletal system. Which is the odd one out? A. North Pole. B. South Pole. C. Equator. D. Tropic of Cancer. Answer. A. North Pole, South Pole, Equator, and Tropic of Cancer are specific geographical lines, while North Pole is a location. Which is the odd one out? A. Football. B. Cricket. C. Tennis. D. Chess. Answer. D. Chess. Football, cricket, and tennis are physical sports, while chess is a mind sport. Which is the odd one out? A. Sodium. B. Calcium. C. Magnesium. D. Oxygen. Answer. D. Oxygen. Sodium, calcium, and magnesium are metals, while oxygen is a non-metal. Which is the odd one out? A. Venice. B. London. C. Paris. D. Asia. Answer. D. Asia. Venice, London, and Paris are cities, while Asia is a continent.